Hi, besties. Thank you for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're a new subscriber, I hope you find my content helpful. I'll be showing you how I made this lovely pants. So stay tuned and I hope you find it helpful. So you need a tape rule, a chalk or any fabric pen, some paint, a ruler, and I used about 1.5 meter fabric, which is about 59 inches. So for this pants, I actually used inches. So feel free to adapt it to the measurement you use. So first of all, I folded my fabric and made sure it was half the measurement of my thigh in width and the length of the trousers in length. I had to keep adjusting. So right now I'm marking a straight line and then marking my full trouser length from my waistline, which was 41 inches. Now I am marking my crotch length for my waistline, which I used 11 inches. Now this will be my hip line, which is 7 inches for my waistline. On this point, I am marking my hip measurement divided by 4. Now I am marking my waist measurement divided into 4 on my waistline. Now I just have to connect the points which I marked in a straight line or a curved line depending on what you have. So at this point at my crotch line, I'm trying to make a curve. Feel free to use a curved ruler, but here I used my hand to just make a curve and connect it from my hip line down to my waistline. I'll go ahead to measure 15 inches upward from my M line and take 2 inches from both ends on the M line and also on the 15 inches point, which is slightly below my kneecap. Then I'll connect the points from my crotch line to the 15 inches point and then to my M line. Here you can decide not to, you can try to avoid the sharp points by using your curved ruler to make a smooth connection from those points, but I didn't really show it here because I slightly curved up my hand when I was cutting it. At this point, the front panel of the pants is done. Please note I did not add any ease allowance or sewing allowance to the front panel as it will be added to the back panel. I also went ahead to drop my waistline by 0.5 inches or 0.75 as you desire. Now you can go ahead to cut out your front panel and then move on to make the back panel. For the back panel, you go ahead to fold your remaining fabric and make sure that it is at least 2.5 inches on the side of your front panel and also above the waistline. Starting from the crotch line, on the same line, you would come outward slightly and blend towards your waistline. And then above your waistline, you will come up with 1.5 inches, which you would connect to your side, just 1 inch before the side. Afterwards, you would measure 2 inches from the sides all the way down, which you would connect. This serves as your sewing allowance. Let's cut our pocket. I used 12 by 12 inches for the pocket. Then I went higher to make it curved, just to make sure that it's my pocket. And then I also marked the wrong side of both sides of the pocket. Let's cut the pieces we need for the zip flyer. One curved, which was 2 inches wide and 7.5 inches long. And a folded straight piece of 2.5 inches wide and 8.5 inches long. Now we have all the necessary parts for our pants aside the waistband, which we cut after assembling all the pieces together. Kindly click the link in the description for the sewing part. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I see you in the sewing part of this video and also in my other videos. Bye till next time, besties.